Solving any two lines gives their point of intersection. For example, y square equal to x and x square equal to y, like as its graph figure and its graph figure, two graphs are point of intersection. Now we evaluate the area of black region. Now we solve point of intersection. From equation 2, putting the value of y in equation 1, therefore becomes x4 equal to x becomes x4 minus x equal to 0, becomes factor out x into x cube minus 1 equal 0. Therefore x equal to 0 comma 1. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, therefore y square equal to 0, therefore y equal to 0. When x equal to 0 and y square equal to 1, therefore y equal to plus minus 1 when x equal to 1. Therefore point of intersection 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1. Now we can write in graph 0 0 comma 0 1 comma 1. Therefore area of the black region 0 to 1 y1 minus y2 dx equal 0 to 1 root over x minus x square dx equal 3 by 2 division 3 by 2 minus x cube by 3 close third bracket upper limit 1 and lower limit 0. Calculation from here we get 1/3 square units.